At D3 Consulting, we support owners, P&I clubs and salvors on marine casualties where there is fire damage to the cargo. This includes assessment of the distressed cargo, selecting a port of refuge, and onshore waste management contractors, as well as monitoring the onshore cargo and waste management works. Our support begins with a desktop comprehensive assessment of the incident and cargo manifest so we can prepare a preliminary estimation of waste quantities by type, thus identifying the required waste treatment processes needed. We also evaluate port of refuge options, including port facilities and onshore waste capacity. Once a port of refuge is selected, we prepare scopes of work for shortlisted waste management contractors and support owners and clubs with contracting the waste providers. We also then support the salvors and P&I clubs with the national authorities to obtain preliminary approvals and coordinate all preparations for the vessel's safe and compliant arrival to port of refuge. D3's team is at the port of refuge before the vessel arrives to oversee the establishment of the distressed cargo yard at the port. We also set up waste tracking systems that follow each discharged container through the waste management process, ensuring full transparency and traceability. This will be required for the subsequent claims procedures. We are at the port with the salvors and waste management contractors, monitoring all waste handling activities, providing technical oversight and advice to the discharge and waste processes. We also advise on handling dangerous goods cargo, sampling of hazardous waste and materials, as well as liaising with the national authorities and customs to ensure smooth and compliant operations. After the completion of cargo and waste operations at the port, D3 Consulting oversees the decommissioning of the distressed cargo yard. We ensure that the quayside is restored to the same condition in which it was received from the port, with all infrastructure dismantled and areas cleared in accordance with environmental and safety requirements. Finally, during the termination phase, we prepare a detailed waste assurance report, a complete record of all materials handled, treatment methods, disposal locations, and verification certificates. This report provides the owners and P&I clubs with full traceability and compliance assurance for the subsequent claims procedures. From day one of the casualty all the way through to final waste assurance, D3 Consulting delivers specialized waste and environmental management solutions for vessel incidents, safely, efficiently, cost-effectively, and in full compliance with international and national regulations. D3 Consulting, expertise you can trust and environmental assurance you can rely on.